Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Appalachian Home Co. And today's video, I'm so excited. We're going to be doing some fun and easy crafts you can do with just your glue gun, and I'm going to be using the Hippoo Cordless Glue Gun. This was sent to me by Hippoo, so I'm so excited to be using that. I'm going to show this to you guys and show you everything that comes with this glue gun in the box. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Here again is the glue gun. I'm going to be using it is the Hippoo Cordless Glue Gun. It comes with a carrying case, some finger protectors, a charging cord. It also comes with a little round drip mat you put under your gun to protect from drips, and a whole pack of multicolored glue sticks, including some clear in there as well. If you're using this Hippoo Cordless Glue Gun, you do want to charge it up for 90 minutes before you start your projects. That is the time it takes to fully charge this glue gun. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to this glue gun. So anytime you're going to start a project, you just want to make sure and charge it before you start. Okay, so this heat gun is fully charged. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. It takes about 90 seconds to heat up. Hit the button on the side to turn it on. And once this lights up, you'll know that the device is on. So now we're just gonna wait until it heats up and it will be ready to use. And I love the little stand. It's magnetic, it just clips right in, so you don't have to lay your gun over. And it also comes with this little drip pad, so you can just place that underneath your glue gun there. And I'm gonna go ahead and then put in a glue stick, just a clear glue stick. And that just goes right back here in the back. For this particular glue gun, it does take about 90 seconds to heat up, but then the light on the top will turn green and you'll be ready to use it. For our first glue gun project, we're going to be doing a paper wreath. This is so simple. I just cut some strips of Halloween paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. They are 12 inches long and almost an inch and a half wide. I did dovetail the ends just to add a little special flair to this wreath. This is so simple. I'm just placing these long strips all around the perimeter of this little wooden frame. And this frame I think I ordered from Amazon, and it's about 8-inch wooden frame, I believe. But you just want to glue those little paper strips all the way around your wooden frame. I did cut out 5 different designs, and I think I cut out 6 strips in each design and still had some left over. I also cut out these little round 3-inch circles that had orange letters. I just printed these out on the printer and cut those out with some scissors and glued those on the front, and I thought this turned out so cute. You can do this style wreath for any season, and it was so simple and so easy and so quick. I did this in about 30 minutes, so this is a great glue gun craft. Another fun glue gun project you can do for any season are these cupcake toppers and cupcake wrappers. I liked using the Hippoo Cordless Glue Gun for this project because the glue actually comes out in a very controlled, neat little line here. It doesn't come out very gloppy and thick all over the place, so I didn't have glue going everywhere or on my fingers as I was doing this project. And this little project for these cupcake wrappers and fans was on Cricut Design Space, so I'll try to leave a link to this project down below. Two things that I'm really loving about this glue gun: the fact that I can just sit it down on this magnetic base and it doesn't fall over. Some of the glue guns that I've had just have this little metal stand and it falls over and glue gets everywhere, but the base is so handy. You can just pick it up, plop it right back down, and it stays upright. Another thing is I don't have a cord to deal with, and that is so nice. Nothing is getting in my way. That's two things that I'm really loving about this glue gun. So now I'm going to finish up these little cupcake wrappers. You can also use these for birthday parties and other seasons as well. So for project number 3, we're going to be making some felt gnomes. This one I'm making here is Halloween themed, but you can also do these any time of year or season. I just cut out some squares of felt. This one is an 8x10. I'm going to make the body, and then I just cut out a circle that would fit around the inside perimeter of this body of the gnome. Also, I'm going to be making a hat out of a piece of darker felt, but I'm using my glue gun, and you'll see I'm wearing these little finger protectors here. Whenever you're working with projects that you need to squeeze your pieces together like this, the finger protectors that came with this glue gun are so handy. You cannot even feel the glue through these little protectors. So I'm using these a lot when I'm especially working with fabric and felt. Now I'm just going to stuff the little body of the gnome with some polyfill and glue everything together. I'm also going to be using a little wooden bead for the nose, and here I'm just cutting out that little hat. I'm just using a rectangular piece of felt, and I just cut that into a triangle shape. I think this is about a 14-inch long piece of felt, and I just glued that together at the seam in the back, and I'm just placing that on top of the gnome. Now I'm just going to add some of this yarn that I actually got from Dollar Tree in this orange color. I'm going to make a little mustache to go over top of the nose. These glue guns actually are supposed to last for about 2 hours of continuous crafting. If you are just doing 1 or 2 projects, then you should have no trouble getting through your projects on one charge of these glue guns. I also wanted to mention to you that Hippoo is getting ready to do a Halloween event. They're going to be doing a giveaway. They're going to be doing some discounts, so definitely check that out. It's from October 25th through the 31st. Another project idea you can do with your hot glue gun is, of course, hot glue art. So this glue gun actually came with some red glue sticks. I wanted to try and make some spider webs to go with my Halloween decor, and I'm using a little piece of wax paper here underneath so that these are easily removed when you're finished with them. So the last glue gun craft idea you can do is definitely wood crafts. I'm putting together some wooden books, and I just happened to be working on this project when I was doing this video, so that is why I included it, but you can definitely do any kind of wood crafts. This is just an example I happen to be working on, but I'm just stacking these little oak boards that I cut, and I've already stenciled them and painted them in Halloween colors, but this is another project you can do any time of year for any type of holiday or season. You just want to make sure and place your wood pieces really quickly together and press them down really well until they are really well stuck. That way you won't have to redo any of your pieces. But I'm also putting some ribbon around these books, and these little finger protectors are working good. When you're doing ribbon, I can just rub those along the edges and secure down that ribbon really well. Again, I'm going to leave a link in the description for the Hippoo Cordless Rechargeable Glue Gun. I love this product. It has replaced all my other glue guns just for the fact that it does have a stand. It stands up easily, and I don't have to have a cord with this gun. You do want to make sure and charge this gun before you're starting any project. And you'll see me use this gun in an upcoming Christmas video if you've not seen that already. So loving this gun, definitely go check that out. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and got lots of ideas for doing glue gun projects. They're so simple and so easy. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you like this kind of content, definitely subscribe. Hit me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.